Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix if your chat is locked and hidden. So for example, you're not able to click on into this and you don't see anybody's messages. So basically the reason why this is happening is because your age is not verified, or your chat is not verified, which basically means your age is not verified. And if you want to go ahead and fix that, what you need to do is you need to go over to your settings and you need to verify your age/identity. Once you verify your age, they will put you in the age group. So for example, 18 to 20, below 18, or 21 plus. But once they basically do that, you guys should be good to go, and then that will unlock your chat and you will be able to chat with people who are the same age as you. So that should pretty much be it. That is how to, check your age, or sorry, how to unlock the text chat. So yeah, that should be it. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.